guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't been very active lately, but we want to change that. We've brought over Andrew to help us with all the media, so hopefully we'll have a lot more things to show you here in the near future. We're still working on this TTRS that we're going to be taking to the track. We're going to be heading out to Sebring, and a couple of things we did already was add a new set of pads from Cobalt. We had used them on our RS3 8Y, and they worked really well. We went out there about 2 or 3 months ago. The car was phenomenal. Braking was great. I mean, it's an awesome platform. We've never taken a TTRS, so we're excited to take this car out. And since we used those brakes before, we decided to stick with what works. And so we put those on. We also added the stainless steel brake lines from 034. And we also switched the brake fluid to the Mold Tool 700, which has worked well for us. The RS3 that we had, the 8Y, since the last video, we sold it. One of our customers, longtime friend, Rigo, he actually purchased the car and he's gonna head out to Sebring along with us. So we've kind of helped him out along the way to get him ready to go for Sebring. We put all the parts that we used last time, like the same brakes. Obviously, we don't use those brakes on the street because they're just very noisy and grabby. So for local use, we use the stock brakes or stock pads. But yeah, he's heading out there right now as we speak, and we'll meet him out there. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up and back in the trailer and rock and roll.
What are you thinking, Fernando? Is she ready for the track?
Getting there.
Yeah?
Yep.
What's left to do besides the detail, right?
Pretty much. That's all there is.
So I know that we're running the same brake pads that we ran in the RS3. Do you think we're gonna see a big difference now, putting them in the TTRS?
We think so. I mean, this car has more power, so we're expected to be a little bit faster.
You got everything ready for the track?
I've been ready. I was born ready.
Okay. So now TTRS is done at the detail shop. We gotta go get it. So how was doing the detail on the car?
So it was obviously easy because we coated this car, so it's supposed to be easy. That's one of the benefits of ceramic coating. It's easier to maintain this showroom shine. So we gave it, of course, our ceramic wash that we do with the pH balanced ceramic soap. We also, in-house, we use that soap, and it is our soap. And then gave it a quick foam bath, hand washed it down, rinsed it off, and watch the hydrophobic beads roll off to a quick, nice shine. So it cleaned up easy. And it's a smaller size vehicle, so even faster with the ceramic coating on it. So I'm happy of it. I'm pretty sure Fernando is going to be happy about it as well. So, and as you see, that showroom shine, just a quick wash, done in no time. So.
Car is complete. Now we gotta head back to the shop, get it on the trailer, then we're out. So looks like we're all loaded up. Anything else we need?
Nope, we'll see everybody at Sebring.
We're here at Sebring testing out the TTRS and the RS3 8Y. Mike here is the new owner of the RS3. Quick rundown. I know some of you guys might have seen it on our channel before, but basically we have a full bolt-on car. intake, intercooler, downpipe. Unfortunately, there's no tune for it yet, so it's still on a stock tune using a JB4. But we were able to extract roughly about 400 to 500 horsepower with that spec, and we enjoyed it a lot, and I'm hoping that Mike's been enjoying it today. How'd you like it? I mean,
I loved it. A great job. The car just really well balanced. You would not know it has, you know, the horsepower it has. I've had one with full unitonic tune, and this performed way better than this. The balancing, you know, normally these have so much weight up front.
Yeah.
This thing feels.
so you've driven the previous generation?
Yeah, I had a
Okay.
20 RS3 and
There's a
similar
big-
mods.
good
and
difference?
The way the suspension is much better balanced. And
Did
again,
you?
with
What brake system did you have on the other one?
the gyro disc.
Gyro. Okay.
Yeah.
We did the gyro disc on these with the Cobalt pads, and now we did the same on the TT because it performed so well
Yeah.
on this car. I mean, we had a great time last time out here, and it was so fun to drive.
Yeah, I had
Yeah.
the same gyro setup with same pads and rotors, and this thing just took it. And I could have pushed it a lot more, and the car just really responded well.
Yeah,
it
and-
was so well balanced. Whatever you did with the suspension, and you know, I said it's just the right amount of power for out here that.
Enjoy a good track day.
Just fully, you know, all the way around the car is just.
Well, I'm glad you like it. Hopefully, you'll get a good weekend of racing, and you know, we'll see you guys later on.
Ah, boy. All right, what happened?
Seems like it blew an oil line or something. Okay, so we got some oil.
Todavía no sé.
Eso no huele a aceite.
La compañía no paga, la compañía no paga.
Looking like Fernando?
The engine is healthy, so something else.
So, quick update on the TT. Not the outcome we were hoping for, but basically we made a couple of laps. This is the first time this car has actually been on a road course. The car makes a substantial amount of horsepower. It makes 700 wheel horsepower, and with that amount of horsepower, we run a lot of boost. So there's a lot of crankcase pressure, and it looks like one of the plugs on the head came off during the run, and then it squirted oil, so we had to get off to the side and get taken off the track. I mean, the fix is going to be basically to run something like a JDY crankcase breather kit, and that should take care of it. Motor-wise, everything's fine, transmission's fine, car runs and drives, but we definitely need to take care of that before we come back out. On the flip side, the RS3 is running well. The guy's having a blast, so I'm happy.
So we're gonna be testing a new product from CFM Motorsports out from Longwood. It's basically a breather that goes where the oil cap goes, and that should be also very helpful for this problem. Try and error, you know how it goes, but we'll be back.
eventful day here at Sebring. We're very happy with the outcome. RS3 actually performed very well. We had a little issue with one of the tires, but we were able to put a new set of tires on there and get back on the track. So that worked out well. Like you guys know, the TTRS had the mishap with the plug. We'll get that taken care of once we get back to the shop. But overall, a great day. Everyone's happy, team's happy, and all the parts that we tested out on TTRS, I would say that, you know, for the little bit of time that we got on the track, worked very well. So I do recommend those, and if you guys are interested in any of that, you know, be sure to follow us on social and visit our website. You'll be able to, you know, see all those parts there. But until next time, okay?